Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to test internet speed on your PC. Let's begin. First, open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Next, in the address bar, type speedtest.net and press enter. This will take you to the Speed Test by Ookla website. Once the page loads, click on the big Go button in the center of the screen. The test will automatically check your ping, download speed, and upload speed. This usually takes less than a minute. When the test is complete, you'll see your results displayed on the screen. The download speed shows how fast you can receive data. The upload speed shows how fast you can send data, and the ping shows your connection response time. You can also test your speed directly in Google. Just type Internet Speed Test in the Google search bar and click Run Speed Test in the results. And that's it! That's how you test internet speed on your PC quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.